Hey, dang it. All right, we're back on this 010 Jeep Compass, not starting. Well, one of our friends came over. He's got that $3,000 analyzer, and he found that found the box right here, and I can get it out here. I'll wait till I get the tire off. Oh, shut that. But as you can see right there, green giggly goop. It ate that. Ate that little relay right off. And as far as I know, that's the first issue that we gotta deal with. Okay, we got it back on the. I got it back on the rack again. About killed me. All right, I got the wheel off of here. So this is your relay box, and this is the relay that's screwed up. Those two wires going right there, that point. So that's where I'm at. Let's see what that actually is. Okay, so if we go in the book, here's the ASD block right here, and with this relay here, which is your R2, is the one on that that's all corroded, and R2 here's your designation. R2 is radiator high fan.
That wire goes to 3 different relays, so it has to relay make a circuit
is your R4
between all of them,
which is that one there. So we got some more troubleshooting to do. I've just sprayed some battery cleaner in there. Eat that stuff. I use that advanced battery cleaner. And acid detection. Alright, just to show you the last pin. That was this one here. That's going to get, wire's going to get cut and then spliced to the new one. Red and purple. I don't want a different color this time. Anyway. I used a different year, so it'll get spliced in. So that's that. That's that pin. And right next to that blue one. We're up in there. It's also this one right here. All right, so we're almost there. All right, halfway through. Now we're actually on the repair. And I got these heat shrink connectors. One more to connect, and then we go ahead and put our relays back in. All right, repair is made. We now have our repair. All our pins are in there and visible. We look good. All right, boys and girls, here we are. All 5 relays are in. Nothing's pushed out the back. All the pins are locked in there. You saw a minute ago, I had power on it. I pulled the battery again. All right, let's see what the search says. Let's reset. And yes. Oh, you got 5 permanent still. Accelerator position. You just took that sucker back. Permanent. Throttle position. Throttle. Circuit. Accelerator pedal. Oh man. Huh. Maybe it has to learn relearn everything. If it'll start, we'll be in good shape. Ready? Let's see. Hey! Yes! Yes! Alright. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Dennis. I'd run out of time. I ran out of time working on it. But as you can see, freaking YouTube is plastered with that ASD and that box being freaking corroded. So there we go. There you go, Daz. Alright, I just gotta put everything back together again. Just run a couple seconds here. I should be able to reset everything. Yes. Get us some new spark plugs and we'll be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. And you'll catch me on the next Dana's Garage. And this was troubleshooting a no start on 2010 Jeep Compass. And it wound up being wires rotted through, or should I say a relay pin on the ASD, which is located in the driver's side wheel well.